Need cash while you're out and about? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use your Crypto.com Visa card at any ATM worldwide. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your Crypto.com Visa card works at millions of ATMs globally, giving you access to your funds wherever you are. To withdraw cash, find any ATM displaying the Visa logo. Insert your physical Crypto.com card and enter your PIN when prompted. Select Withdrawal and choose the amount. The funds will be deducted from your card's balance, not directly from your crypto holdings. Remember that ATM operators may charge their own fees, and Crypto.com allows up to $400 equivalent in ATM withdrawals per month fee-free, after which a 2% fee applies. A crucial pro tip: always choose to be charged in the local currency rather than USD when using ATMs abroad. This avoids dynamic currency conversion fees that often have poor exchange rates. Also, ensure your card has sufficient fiat balance before attempting withdrawals. And just like that, you have global access to cash from your crypto ecosystem. Using ATMs with your Crypto.com card ensures you're never without local currency. What's the most interesting place you've used your Crypto.com card at an ATM? Share your story below. For advanced transfers, watch our next video on how to send crypto to external wallet from Crypto.com. Thanks for watching.